In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot. If you're trying to decide which AI tool is a better fit for your workflow, the easiest way to compare them is by looking at what each one is built to do best. Notion AI is mainly designed to improve note-taking, documentation, and project management inside the Notion workspace. Microsoft Copilot, on the other hand, is a broader productivity assistant that helps with tasks across Microsoft 365 apps and Windows. So right from the start, the biggest difference is scope. Notion AI is centered around the Notion environment, while Copilot works across a much wider software ecosystem. Next, think about the kind of work you do most often. Notion AI is especially useful for writing notes, brainstorming ideas, organizing projects, and managing knowledge in a structured way. Microsoft Copilot is generally the better option for drafting documents, analyzing data, creating presentations, managing emails, and answering questions across Microsoft apps. In simple terms, Notion AI shines in planning and knowledge organization, while Copilot is stronger for everyday office productivity. Another important point is integration. Notion AI works within your Notion workspace, which makes it convenient if most of your information already lives there. Microsoft Copilot is integrated into tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneNote, Windows, and other Microsoft services. That means if your workday already revolves around Microsoft products, Copilot can feel more connected and efficient. When it comes to content creation, both tools can help, but they do it at different levels. Notion AI can generate, edit, summarize, and improve notes and documents. Microsoft Copilot can also refine documents and emails, but it goes further by helping with presentations, spreadsheets, images, and other content types. So if you need a wider variety of output, Copilot offers more flexibility. For data analysis, the difference is even clearer. Notion AI has limited data analysis capabilities. Microsoft Copilot provides more advanced analysis, especially in Excel, where it can help identify trends, interpret data, and generate insights. If your work depends on numbers and reporting, that's a major advantage. Collaboration is another area to compare. Notion AI supports teamwork inside shared Notion workspaces. Microsoft Copilot enhances collaboration across Microsoft 365, especially in Teams, Outlook, and shared Office documents. So the better option depends on where your team already works together. Finally, consider image generation and ideal users. Notion AI offers limited image generation, while Microsoft Copilot supports AI image creation through Microsoft Designer. Notion AI is a strong fit for students, writers, researchers, and teams using Notion to manage information. Microsoft Copilot is ideal for professionals, businesses, educators, and Microsoft 365 users who want AI support across many productivity tools. And that's how to compare Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot.